Hi. Tell Daddy how you want the camera so bad. Oh, so bad. Yeah, I want you to show Daddy how you were just walking. I know you just want to climb up now because you think you can get the camera. It's such a hard life. I see you down there. I see you, you silly. Where did Jack go? Where's Jack? There he is. Where did Jack go? Jack! Jack! There you are. Where did Jack go? Jack! There you are, you silly. Where did Jack go? Jack! Jack, where are you? There you are, you silly boy. Jack! Where did Jack go? You want to show Daddy how you walk? I think you should walk across the room like you just did. He walked all the way from this coffee table, all the way across the floor, over, all the way to there, before he sat down on his own. Oh, those are Grandma's reading glasses. She will not be happy. Sorry? I'm sorry, honey. I know. They're so cool. And Mom won't give them to you. Look at Chloe dog. What's Chloe doing? What's Chloe doing down there? Hi, Chloe. Oh, I love that dog. You should give that dog a hug.